Hello students, welcome to part 11 of how to program the video game Dog's Dinner using Scratch. So let's add some obstacles and hazards that will make the game more difficult. So the first thing in this tutorial is we're going to start with a flying donut. So in the sprites list, let's click on choose a sprite from library. Let's scroll down and I want you to find donut. So I'm going to click on donut and then I'm going to click OK to load that sprite. Okay? All right, so we can keep the name as donut. So we're going to add a couple of scripts to the donut. So make sure you're clicked on the donut sprite and let's go to events. Okay, so let's start with 3 when I receive headers. So I'm just going to place all 3 here because we're going to create 3 separate scripts. Okay, all right, so let's start with the first one. When I receive the message of setup, okay, we've kind of used this this kind of order quite often. So when I receive the setup message, we're going to go to motion and we're going to set rotation style. So I'm going to set rotation style and I want to have it left, right. Set rotation style left, right. Let's go to the looks blocks and let's go to set size to. So I'm going to grab a set size to. Set size to 50%. 50%. Okay, so let's create its, let's program its position on every level. So let's go to control, and again, this should seem very familiar. Let's grab 3 if-then blocks. 3 if-then blocks. Okay, stack them. Okay, then let's go to the operators blocks, and let's grab 3 equal blocks. 3 equal blocks. Okay. So on the left value, in the left value of every equal block, we'll go to the data blocks and we'll grab level, right? You guessed it, level. Okay. So now these values are going to be first level 1, then level 2, then level 3. Okay, level 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's set the positions on every level. So let's go to the motion blocks and let's grab 3 go to XY blocks. We need 3 of them. Go to XY. Okay? Okay, so let's carefully change these values. So for level 1, the X value, I'd like you to change to positive 140. And then the Y value is going to be 35, positive 35. Okay, so for level 2, we're going to change the X value to 0, and then the Y value is going to be positive 15. Okay, 0 and 15. And for level 3, we're going to have an X value of 70 and a Y value of 30. Okay, so that's going to do it for this set of scripts. So please double check your values here. Okay? Okay, so let's go to the next script. So when I receive the start message, so this was when I received the setup message. This is when I received the start message. I'm going to go to control and I'm going to grab forever block. So what this script is going to do is it's going to send the donut back and forth, left and right, to patrol the screen. Okay? Okay, so let's go to motion. And let's find a point in direction block. Point in direction block. And first it's going to patrol to the right. So remember, the right direction is 90 degrees. Okay? We'll go back to control and we'll grab a repeat. We're going to put the repeat block underneath the point in direction and we're going to repeat this step 35 times. 35 times. And then we'll grab a motion block and we'll go move. And we're going to have it move 3 steps. So it's going to repeat this step, moving 3 steps 35 times. Then, once it's repeated that motion 35 times, we're going to point in direction. And then we're going to have it patrol to the left. Left is negative 90. Patrolling to the left is negative 90. And then we're going to have it do the same thing. So we'll go to control blocks. We'll have it repeat. and we'll change this value to 35. We'll have it repeat 35 times. And the thing that it's going to repeat is it's going to move, and we're going to type in here, move 3 steps. So it's going to move to the right, and then it's going to move to the left. That's what the donut will do. It won't go up and down, it'll just go patrol left and right. Okay, so finally we have a last script to kind of have some collision detection here. So when I receive the message, start. Okay, we'll go to control and we'll go wait until. So it's going to continue to patrol and it's going to wait until, we'll go to the sensing blocks, until it is touching the player block. Okay, until it is touching the player block. And then we'll go to events and then we'll grab a broadcast and it will broadcast game over. Okay, so you are alive until that donut touches you. Okay, so let's go to File, Save. So I want you to run your game. Try to collect your bones and try to avoid the donut. If the donut touches you, your dog should die. Okay, it should stop and it should howl out loud. Okay, so please test your game over and over. And once you've done that, make sure you go to File, Save Now. Okay, so this concludes part 11 of the video game project Dog's Dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye.